Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add filters in iMovie. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add filters on a video in iMovie. Maybe because you have created a video and you think there's something wrong with the lighting or maybe with the colors, so you want to upload a filter on it. Or maybe you're a person who prefers adding filters because you think it enhances the beauty of the video. Or it could be any other reason for you to add filters in iMovie. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how you can easily do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing, you have to make sure that you have already installed the iMovie from App Store, and if you have not installed it yet, then you have to first install it, and once it get installed you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the iMovie app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. At the bottom we have three options. So the first two options are not necessary here, so we will leave it and then we will click on this last option, movie. You just have to simply click on it, and then the mobile phone photo gallery will open, and from there you have to select the media on which you want to upload filters. You can select multiple videos or photos, and you can also go with a single paste. It's all up to you. You just have to keep selecting, or you just have to keep select a video. And once you are done selecting your video or photos, what you have to do is that you have to click this last option which says create movie, this one. Once you click on it, it will import your selected video to the app like that, and then we can add filters to it. So now what you have to do here is that you just have to simply click on the video like this, and then at the bottom you will see many different options will come up. So from all these options you have to select the right option which has two to three different kind of circles or similar to it. Once you click on it, you will see many different kind of filters will pop up on the screen. So from all these options you can choose any one of these. You just have to simply tap on it and that filter will be selected. You can check all the filters, whatever you like, whatever you think enhances the beauty of the video, you can select it. And other than that, you can also change its opacity, or you could say how much the effect of the video you want in your video. You can change it by just moving this option. So here you can see the filter will reduce if you move the circle to the left side, and it will increase if you move the circle to the right side. And you can also see how the filter that you have added looks on your video. And if you like that, you can keep it, otherwise you can go with any other video. And if you select this first option, then no filter will be added, it will get a original video. So it's all up to you, whatever filter you prefer you can add it, and you can also check how much you want the filter on your video by this option. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add filters on your videos in iMovie. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.